Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tasty salad dressing, only way. Start by selecting a base oil and an acid for balance, then gather salt, pepper, and a sweetener. Use fresh herbs and aromatics to layer flavor, and measure ingredients so you can repeat success. Taste as you go and adjust acid or oil to reach the right brightness and mouthfeel. Keep a jar handy for shaking and storing your dressing. Use a reliable ratio like 3:1 oil to acid to create a reliably balanced dressing, and whisk until smooth. Add an emulsifier such as Dijon mustard or mayonnaise to keep ingredients bound and silky. Incorporate minced garlic or shallot for texture and depth, and add herbs last to preserve freshness. Always start with less seasoning, then increase in small steps until the dressing sings with flavor and suits your salad. Layer flavors by toasting spices and adding fresh herbs at the end to preserve brightness and color. Introduce umami with a small splash of soy sauce or a grated anchovy for savory depth without fishiness. Zest citrus over the dressing for immediate lift, and stir in a touch of sweetness if the acid is too sharp. Small adjustments make big differences, so build flavor gradually while tasting carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.